Hi, my name's Ed, and I'm about to go for an adventure to Argentina to find out about wine. What makes a good Malbec from a bad Malbec? What makes a good bottle, expensive bottle from a cheap bottle? I don't know, but we're about to find out. We're also going to see what other adventures we can have along the way. So, if you like adventure, wine, food, and good times, come with me. I collect my camera gear, say goodbye to my little dog G for the final time, then step out the apartment as I collect my bag on the way outside to a beautiful Manx morning. I jump in a taxi as we speed towards Castletown, passing a delightful Manx sunrise along the way, and talking all things YouTube.
It's very popular, these YouTubers these days. And human, like traveling around the world and filming stuff, and
Yeah.
following a few and looking out the views. They got a lot.
They do indeed have a lot. So a quick little stop off at the Highway Express to pick up a power bank for this little camera, because we don't want to be travelling around all day getting some good content and then it running out of power. So here we are, Highway Express. How exciting. There she is. Thank you very much to Highway Express there. Give them a little shout, look. There we are, Highway Express. Thank you very much for bringing my little package over today, ready just in time for going to the airport. Yeah. Fantastic, thank you very much.
Would you like to put it on card?
Yep, let's put it on card. After settling my extortionate bill with the friendly taxi driver, I admire the three legs of man standing proudly outside the island's gem, Ronaldsway Airport. I have a coffee and contemplate the 17 hours ahead. After a smooth flight across the Irish Sea and over England's green and pleasant lands, we finally touch down in London, Heathrow, where I go to collect my bags for the next leg of this journey, Frankfurt, and I'll be joining the carrier Lufthansa that will take me all the way to Argentina, Buenos Aires. After checking in my bag and heading through security, I'd built up quite the appetite. So, it was time for some food. Almost by coincidence, there was a map in front of me of South America and the items that are produced. Obviously, Argentina, our destination, and the wine. But who'd have thought it? They do peanuts too. I cracked open a nice cold lager to celebrate my success in the journey so far. Cheers. With a few hours to spare, I thought I'd treat myself. What better way to rest than in the premium lounge where you can drink more beer? There's also lots of nice, complimentary food to pass the time. Delicious. It wasn't long before it was time to board the plane for the next leg of the journey to Frankfurt, and then, obviously, on to the final destination, Argentina. This is where we say goodbye, England, and hola, South America. We're finally there. Touchdown. Argentina. Buenos Aires. And just like that, 17 hours of travel with a baby, a dog, and lots of other adventures along the way. We've arrived here in Buenos Aires, Argentina. All that's left to do now is enjoy the sun, leaving the winter behind in the Isle of Man to arrive obviously in the summer in Argentina and Latin America, to enjoy this sun, soak up the atmosphere, find an Uber and figure out where I'm staying for the night. So I've got an apartment booked in a place called Palmero, and I've ordered an Uber and I'm off to go find it now and see what sights we can see along the way. So come with me. And the adventures begin. Argentina, Buenos Aires, 4 weeks. Wine, food, culture, and obviously sun and fun. Ciao.